What is your face? Hey guys, did you put this here, Mom?
And I'm just Tyler.
Today Tyler's gonna be playing with. Sorry guys. Today, guys and girls, Tyler's gonna be playing with remote control cars. With one of them. So let's go over to this area.
I mean,
Ah! Run! Oh! Tyler, no!
gotta get closer.
No! No! Yes, I'm barefoot.
We are not in an apartment. We're renting a house, okay?
We're not gonna tell you where we live. Okay.
So we just showed them our house.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So Ty, I'm gonna try.
Hey, I'll hold the camera.
Nah.
Oh, geez, don't get me on the street, okay?
I don't know how to control this because I only have one hand to do it.
What are you doing? You control it.
Yeah, you control it. I'm terrible at it.
That's because you're holding the camera.
Yeah.
You tell Mom to hold it.
Nah. She will not know what to record. I hope you guys liked our Pokemon opening the video.
Yeah, because I got an EX. I traded it to them.
Yeah. For Fennekin and...
I'm planning to get it back.
No, I'm not gonna give you that. I gave a Fennekin and a regular Gardevoir. If you had to... Oh my! By the way, we're barefoot, guys.
You too?
Barefoot. Oh my goodness! OMJ. We might sometimes say OMJ. We don't mean a bad word. I don't even think there is a bad word for J, but we mean like, oh, I invented OMJ and I mean like, oh my Jack in the Box. Okay? Oh! Oh, jeez.
Hopefully you like this. And what if
Tyler, how about you just play with it, try not to chase me, and I'll record you playing with it and the car thing. Okay, so I'll be right by Tyler.
I wish we could like put two screens like that and me controlling it. Like how to.
So this looks pretty. So this looks pretty cool.
Yeah. And secrets. Just
That
press
button, this button right here, makes it just go forward.
Yeah. Instead of holding both of these up.
Hey, Dad, do the little thingamajig. Oh, by the way, guys, Tyler, show how it goes like to that.
Except I have to go forward, backward, forward. Except it's sometimes the.
So you have to like, yeah, you're supposed to. That's
Yeah,
it.
and
And I do the little flippity spin and everything, and it goes around in circles so much fast. What are you doing? Are you just holding up on that one?
Yeah.
Can I try?
That's all you have to do. Don't do that.
Let's play which one does it pick. So Tyler's over there, as you guys can tell. Ty, stop it. And I'm right
I'm
here.
wearing like this, by the way.
And you know. And which one does it pick? It picks me. That means I control it.
Chooses me. Hey,
No way, it didn't choose it yet. Okay.
Yes, it did.
Then bring it back. No, it chose me. So now it's gonna that was just we were just testing that out here. Ty, have a control back. We're playing to do another Pokemon card video. It's a more MKB vids. It's a more MKB Madness.
I like MK Madness more than Show.
You figure out the cool idea.
Hey, started. Why didn't you show it? I just did. It like flipped all the way around.
Do it.
Mm,
That might be it for this video. 5-minute vid.
no!
Please. Not very exciting vid, but you know.
Go into the garage. Go. Will we be doing a house tour or what?
No.
Okay, fine. No, because
Maybe if we get like 100 subs or something. It went under me. I'm running. I'm running. Yeah. I should have just zoomed it in. This is how it actually is like.
should we go around the neighborhood in a bit?
Oh no.
Why?
We're gonna know where we live.
So,
I don't want
not
people.
many people will come to our house.
So,
Only some.
yeah, that's gonna be it for this video.
No.
Please. I'll make a new one. We'll see you around.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye, car.
Bye.
You stink.
You stink. You stink. You really, really stink. Okay, bye.